Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing your data, save a backup, and close other heavy workbooks to avoid accidental recalculation. Next, open the Formulas tab and set calculation options to manual so Excel won't evaluate new entries. Once done, scan the cells where Excel is auto-inserting equal signs, parentheses, or function names. Make sure to note whether conversions happen during paste or typing. That determines the next actions. This immediate control prevents widespread auto-formula changes, while you implement practical fixes. For pasted data, use data text to columns and choose text to prevent formula parsing. If typing, prefix with a single quote to force literal storage. Excel displays the value without evaluating. Make sure to format target cells as text in the Home tab before bulk entry, or use paste special values when pasting from other sheets. Once these steps are in place, Excel stops auto-creating formulas, and you maintain consistent text entries without unexpected calculations. To finish, verify cells look correct, and if you need live formulas, switch calculation options back to automatic. If some cells still show formulas, use find and replace to target leading equal signs and replace with a safe character or add a leading apostrophe in bulk. Make sure to check Excel's regional settings and custom lists, because locale-based separators can trigger parsing. If problems persist, clear formatting and reapply text format. That usually resolves stubborn auto-conversion issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.